Khwairamban Ima Kaithel Joint Coordinating Committee for Peace, Ima Gimeira, and the Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee staged a sit-in protest at How Ground demanding to bring peace in Manipur and call for the government of India to end siding with Kuki militants. During the protest, Thokchom Sujata, convener of Ima Gimeira, criticized both the government and law enforcement agencies for their alleged unequal treatment of the state's residents. Sujata raised concerns that the Assam Rifles have contributed to the division of the state into Meitei and Kuki territories, further escalating tensions by reportedly supporting Kuki militant groups. Sujata urged the MLAs to address the issue of Assam Rifles in the upcoming State Assembly session set to begin on July 31st. She also condemned recent statements by the Director General of Assam Rifles, accusing him of speaking from a biased perspective and failing to acknowledge the losses sustained by state forces due to Kuki militants' actions. The protesters called for a balanced approach from the Assam Rifles to restore peace, emphasizing that fair treatment of both communities could foster greater support from the public.
Rifles in a Naramatu, Dizzy Naga Toleva port, a Mofni Adunica have a port to do reasonable oide, one sided the Tabako Mong Adumali, Rangi Wahi Watadu so Aduga, Kuki area have a Milskano, 34G, the labor uniform, the Kuki area have a porto, the Sang and White, Adu so put the Manipur state. Equivalent tabak we have wahi to have bigger than the area say the saying Assam from the Kaido Pirabra, the saying Assam from the Nyom Chum the Tabak target buffer zone Haidana, Meitei Amasung, Kuki Chang, but Yanadana labor pose, Sarone nutrient labor taragadi, Lady Pose, buffer zone Tamoy, get away Tamdun, Aquila, Ching the Sokole, Tam the Sokole, Aquina, Loiman, in upon the Hanjel and Bosity, Norman Sida Legadam near Haidana, Adugum, Step Amasulokan Ude, State Force Mount the Changbayaro, Sugunugi, Migi State Force, Police Station, Mamang the Toki Batogo. Madu akoi fake video ni ka haibadudi madu nuaite aduna maram oiraga handa akoi na mama singa phammi base haji assembly date 31st tegi haudoini state assembly aduga huji su parliament su phammi banina ani maksida hoji ki oireba Assam Rifle ki pot se resolution amba loba thabak tawragana equivalent tawbiu natragana akoi Manipur state sidegi Assam Rifle tanthokpa haiba pot sigi mi phamne ngasi phamsi